Welcome to TechCurrent Media. Today we are going to learn about how to install JDK. It's like a software that helps you to install NetBeans, Eclipse, and many others. So you're going to click on any browser that you have. And you type in JDK, press enter. You click on this first one, Java downloads, Oracle. You scroll down and you install the latest version. As you see, there is for Windows here. You scroll down. You click here for Windows. You click on this. My computer, it's 64-bit, so I'm going to take this 64 installer. You click on this link. It starts download. After you go to your downloads, you close this, come here, you go to downloads, here, it's here. You click on this file, open it. You say yes. As you see here, it is saying welcome the installation wizard for Java SE development key. You say next. You choose here. You can also say next and start copying the files. Now it's saying successfully installed. So you are done with installing JDK. It will appear on your desktop, which is here. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe on this channel. Click on the bell button so that you can see every video that I post. Thank you.